Well, what we did today was the basics of decon of hazmat and basic triage of patients in a mass casualty setting.
We worked with mannequins and we did a simulation triage experiment of a MCI, a mass casualty incident, and a hazmat incident.
I enjoyed it. I did have my level of anxiety because it all happens in a real emergency. It happens real fast. You have to take your time, but don't take your time, if that makes sense. You gotta make sure you do it right, but you don't want to take forever doing it.
Yeah, it was good. I think we learned about these things in the textbook and watching videos, but actually doing them is very different. So you learn that things are heavier than they seem, and having to navigate is definitely interesting, but it's fun.